Oh! This is a terrible idea. Let's go that way. Yeah. Fuck the tunnel.
Really?
Where'd they eat? I don't see anybody.
Behind the tree.
Oh.
On the far right side, behind the tree.
Oh. Okay.
What's up, Russia? Where are they?
That way. Unfold the stocking.
It's hard to move it. Yeah, I forgot.
Oh, shit.
You neck?
I got 4 left. It's in the harder to reach place. Phew, bitch. Thank you. How long till it dies?
I still have a battery.
You do?
Yeah.
It sounds so sad. Give me the battery.
It's my backpack.
I'll turn around. Turn around, give me that gun. Magic. Screen watcher! I don't see a battery back here, Jimmy.
There should be a blue one.
I don't blue
That's
battery.
great. Didn't put it back.
I guess you. Here, I believe this is yours too. Just chill for like a minute. What? Yeah, we'll get closer as soon as I put a new battery in this gun. I don't know, I'm not watching. This is gonna be the best video ever. Alright. Here, Jimmy. Stand. Alright. Just hang on. Alright, you're free. Is this my battery I gave you?
No. Mine. Should be charged.
Should be an R. Nope, dead. Straight up dead. Where are they?
That's great.
I have a plan. Oh! Fuck!
Good plan. You alright?
No, that was my ear. Oh!